What is up, guys? Just got out of the gym. We're heading to class right now. It's gorgeous out. 70-degree night. Cool. You know, it's perfect weather conditions. So I figured, hey, you know what? I got a new GoPro set up. Let's take it for a little drive to class tonight and see how the footage is, see how the camera performs. And yeah, I got my other GoPro too, so I'll get you two angles, a little mount action, and a little bit, I got it on the side here. So, gonna head to class now. Let's not try and be late, and enjoy the video, guys. Audio's good, should be good with that mic, even though there's a lot of drone noise. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for 1,000 subscribers. It's been a long journey so far, but fun as well as meeting all you guys on the internet. It's awesome. I just want to say thank you, and if you're new to the channel, drop a comment, say what's up, welcome, and hope you're enjoying the content. If you have any suggestions, feel free. Throw them out there, comment, message me. If you want to see a cool video, whatever, hey, let me know. But thank you for the support. It means so much more than you really think. I love interacting with you guys and commenting and everything with you guys, alright? I love putting out content. It's fun for me, fun for you guys. I even watch for myself. I see it as documenting the memories of life that you can rewatch whenever. Because pictures do that too, they'll capture the moment, but rewatching the actual day and the highlights of it is awesome, a year later. So, thank you guys so much. Enjoy this video of me driving. We're on the highway, so it's kind of boring right now, but when we get into some regular roads, catch you guys a couple clips. So, enjoy.